How to fix Tinder error on your Tinder app. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you some ways you can fix your Tinder error on your Tinder app. So without any further ado, let us get started. First of all, make sure your application is updated. Head over to your Play Store and simply type in Tinder at the top search bar. In case of open button, if you see update, tap onto update and update your app. Now go ahead and tap on Settings application from your device. Scroll below to Apps. From this list of various applications, search for Tinder. And at this page, under Usage, tap onto Storage. Here you will see Clear Data and Clear Cache. Tap on Clear Data on your bottom left, then tap on Delete. Before you do so, also be noted that if you delete the data of this application, it will delete all of your account history and your databases, meaning you have to re-log into your Tinder account from scratch. So if you still like to continue, then tap on Delete. As you do all that, restart your device and this shall fix your problem. That is all for today's tutorial. If you had found this video to be helpful, then hit the like button, and in case you would like to see more contents like this, subscribe to our channel. We will be back with more tutorials like this. Until then, thank you for watching and see you in our next upload.